Our newest product, it's called Diamond Dotz with a Z, and this is a new craft. We just launched it January of this year. This is a polyester fabric, and it has a special adhesive coating on the part that's dotted that you can see. And we'll do a demonstration, but basically you paint, if you will, with these facets. All different sizes, all different shapes. Little starter sets take about 20 minutes to do.
Yep, so very cool. They just came in today. So this is one of the little kits that they gave us, and these are a very low price point, perfect for children 8 years old and up, but up to 80 years old.
That's right.
And our friend Lindsay got this done in just the time that they were here talking to us. Very simple to do. Okay, you've got to check this one out. Ready? This is a ta-da moment. Ta-da! Is he not fabulous? This Santa Claus is going to really add the decor, the bling, everything you wanted for your Christmas. So now Donna is going to take us just to this little demo on how to do these diamond dots. This is so simple, you guys.
So you're gonna start. The kits come with everything you see here: comfort tip, tray. This is a wax caddy, and before you start, you're gonna just put your stylus in and twist it one time. It's really just to temper the metal tip that causes a static electricity phenomenon. You pour your facets in the tray. Each package is marked with a number that coincides with the chart on the left-hand side or on the canvas. You shake the tray. These are fives. I started with fives, which are the little T's. You barely touch them. They kind of hop on, and then you just put them on the T and they hop off. Very, very light touch, no need to press hard. If you screw up, you just move them off, no problem. This one takes about 20 minutes to do.
No time at all. So you can imagine this little Diamond Dots projects, these little guys being an in-store project. So you want to get Diamond Dots started in your store, consider bringing in some of the larger projects, some of these smaller ones, and having a class just on these little ones. People are going to walk out of the store with the finished project. They're coming up with some really cool designs. We gave them lots of really great ideas. Yes. So hopefully in the near future, we'll even see more fun designs for these and the rug hooking and the cross stitch. Great. So if you have any questions, it's on the Notions marketing website. Needle Art World for the cross stitch and rug hooking. Diamond Dots with a Z for the sparkly diamond dot stuff. Of course, contact your sales rep if you have any questions. Donna, thanks a lot for coming.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.